Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a campaign with 3 automated emails with the Sequence Builder. To do this, you first have to go to Sequences, then Create New. Once we're there, let's start by giving a description for the first stage of the sequence. We'll also set the time of day we want to schedule our emails to send and how long it will take before the next stage with the next email is due. When we have clicked Add Stage, it's time to select what action will happen in that stage. We'll press Actions and select Send an email. Now we'll enter the details of our first email, the name of the sender, the email address we're sending from, and the subject title of the email. Next, we'll select the contents of our first email. You can either choose to create one on the spot, or you can select a pre-made email. We'll use a pre-made email for this campaign, so we'll choose the first email from the list of email templates. You can see a preview of the email by clicking the Preview button. Click Accept and the first stage is ready. Now let's add stage 2 of our campaign by clicking Insert Stage. We'll give this stage a description too, and then set the time of day for sending the email. In this case, I want to wait 2 weeks before sending email number 3, so I'll put 14 days for this stage. Let's click Add Stage, Action, then Send an email. We'll fill in the details just like in the first email. The only difference now is that we'll put in an RE before the title, so people receiving will know that this is a follow-up email. Let's select our pre-made email number 2, then we'll preview it to make sure it's the right one. We'll click Accept, then insert the last stage of a 3-stage campaign. Just like the previous 2, we'll add a description and set the time of day for the last email. Number of days is not that important in the last stage. Let's accept, then add an action and set up the last email for sending. Repeat the details of the previous emails. We'll select the email template for email number 3 and preview it to make sure it's correct. Once we've clicked Accept, we have completed the setup of our emails in this campaign. On the left side, you can see the stages and on what day of the campaign they are scheduled. Let's go to Settings and Save to finalize the campaign. Here, we'll give the campaign a name. I recommend choosing a name that you will recognize easily. If you have multiple users, you can also delegate the responsibility for the campaign to any of the other users if you like. You can then choose what will happen to contacts who replies or not. We'll leave that to the default settings here. Now we're ready to go. Let's click Save Sequence. In the dialog box that opens, let's choose to activate the campaign right away. Now you can find the campaign under Sequences and Overview. From there, you can select and manage the sequences, like adding contacts and lists to the campaigns. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with your LeadJabber campaigns.